All right. I'm here. Yo, yo, yo. Chats are all hooked up. All right. One last thing. I'm trying to remember how to open the preview. One sec. Sorry, I'm messing with OBS. What is it called? What am I looking for? Ah, screw it. You're going to see my face real big for a second here. Okay. Okay. Well, I ran into a massive amount of issues with my with the thing I'm working on, and so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm just going to try doing this and this, and we're going to just do something simple. Console.log hello world. And let's bring this over. Hello world. Invalid typed array length. Memory buffer. Okay. So it's definitely calling wasm main first, right? Wasm main. Oh, it's passing stuff. Oh, I am taking things in. Okay. It's doing the scaling for me, I think. So I think this is all good. What's it passing in, though? Invalid typed array length. Let's zoom in a little bit on this. Input state. I should be able to bring up the console from the bottom. There we go. Like, yeah, it says function signature mismatch. And it's pointing at my update and render. And it says that the parameters I'm sending in are 2 i32s and an i64, and there's a result of an i32. And that just doesn't feel like correct at all. Let's just make sure, I guess. Here 1 and here 2. Yeah, so it is for sure there. And I mean, I gotta believe it, I guess. The function signature is incorrect, even though I'm definitely sending the right stuff. Game memory is set. Thread is set. Bitmap buffer is set. Input states are set. Maybe the input states, like inside the input states, are not set, and that's the problem here. What's the way to debug this? Can I put a breakpoint here? What does that do? Okay, now I can look at the input struct pointer. Where is it? Is it this? Input struct pointer, 524. Can I look at the memory? Yeah, it's not really doing anything for me. This takes me here. Update and render. Okay, here's an idea. So when I do this and I take it here, here is the WASM of the section that's failing. It's specifically failing at the call indirect. Does this help at all? You are calling a function pointer stored in memory. This is not your direct call to that because would be, yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah. Oh, debug read file type. Am I using that somewhere? What? Oh yeah, this. I don't think they found the right one. Oops. You posted this. Those are function pointers. Okay, that is possible. Let's look at my WASM. Have I implemented all of the debug stuff? Debug read file. Oh, no, I'm not initializing them anywhere, right? No, I am. They're right there. Oh, but there is one that's missing. This one. Game memory dot. There it is. Please. Yes. It's a new error. Good morning. What's up, Sir Lunchalot? You hanging in there? Okay, so check file changed. Is that what it was? Doing my best to keep my sanity. And you? All good. Yeah, I am right there with you, trying to keep my sanity. I've done a dumb thing and decided to work on something extremely hard, and it's not going well. So there's that. Yeah, so that's a pointer, and then that's a long. Okay. I'm starting to understand how to read this stuff in terms of WASM. Okay, so now I have an array or a memory access out of bounds error happening, which is, you know, the worst possible thing. Maybe I can just debug real quick where I get to. Okay, I get there. Let's put it here. I get there. How about here? I get there. That's just an if statement. What about free memory? Do I get past here? I do not get past the free memory, so this could be wrong. Debug free file memory. What if I comment that out? Does it fix it? No. So it's probably not that. it's probably this. I'm going to say this is going to pass. Oh, it's not. It's not there. What about this? Is it my sprite arena? Hilariously, it was this, sprite data.success. It was the if statement. Oh, no, stop. Yeah. Hilariously enough, I can't access this on this because this didn't allocate the memory correctly. Let's go over here and see what I'm doing to read the file. Debug read file. What is this? File system. Preload file. Since we can't do sync IO, we expect JavaScript to preload files into memory. Am I doing that? Platform allocate file slot. Preload files. Let's call it that. Platform underscore. Yeah, that was not getting called anywhere. So let's just go to my index.html and let's see if there's like a comment somewhere to do that. There's not. Okay. Let's just go to here. All right. The new thing happening is that I need a file loaded in Wasm. I've created the function to use the files that are loaded by the JavaScript bridge, but I don't know how to hook that up in JavaScript. Look at my files. I'm talking about platform, what was it called? That one. How do I use this? Ah, the upload expired. Nice. Very nice. Ah, the upload expired and I can't upload anymore. All right, so we're giving up on ChatGPT. We're coming back to Gemini. Which, to be fair, neither Gemini nor ChatGPT was able to do anything about my problem until I pasted the Wasm code. So I need to learn that. Okay. And actually, I want to point out real quick, I totally figured out that problem yesterday, but there was something I was missing. So the bug that I was seeing is this. It would say function signature mismatch at this function. And I was like, no, I bet it's something inside. And when I went to the Wasm code, which if I can bring this back up, it showed this. an int, a long, and the result was an int. I went to, let's see, what do I have? I went here and I was like, oh, this one right here, it returns a Boolean. It takes in a pointer, and a long. I was like, oh, a Boolean is an integer. So I got that much right, but I didn't even consider that the pointers were int32s because on Windows they are int64s. And so I should have thought about that. In Wasm they are apparently int32s, and I did learn that at some point. I just decided not to. I just decided to ignore it. Where did they? Someone said it. Yeah. The architecture is 32-bit. So that's my bad. I almost got it. I almost got it on my own. Okay. So the new problem is that, and I might even have the thinking bot now. I think I have the thinking one back. Okay. The new problem is that, actually, I'll just say, I figured it all out and fixed it. The new problem is the function that is never called from the JavaScript bridge, and I don't know how to use it. I need the files preloaded into memory. Ah, hate when it does that. Load assets is the function that it wrote for me. Here we go. Assets to load. Yeah, okay. Easy enough. Fetch that. And then I allocate the file slot, and there's the length. Okay, easy enough. Easy enough. I unfortunately cannot copy paste anymore because they have messed up a few of the things that I've already been doing. So we're going to give up on that. Where's my index.html? I want to put this after all of my constants. And I want to put this after the constants too. And after these. I know what those are. I know what this is. Oh, I need to do that eventually. Okay. So now let's do const sprites. Is that right? Nope. Ah. Sometimes I forget how powerful the undo is in Vim. Okay. So it's // res player sprite. This. Okay. And then where did it put it? It put it down underneath the right string to stack. I don't even know what that is. Just put it down here. Imports object. Let's pop that back up with the constants. Yeah, that should be fine. And then we're just gonna yoink this, because I don't want to write that much JavaScript today. Come on. It tried. Okay. And this will be called sprites. And this is now called preload files. But actually it's just file, because I'm only doing one at a time. I don't know what this is. WASM view. Copy data directly into WASM memory. Why would it be called WASM view? All right, whatever. Data.length. Yeah, okay. And then let's go here. Let's see what happens. Okay. Seems like, oh, I didn't call it though. I didn't call it anywhere, right? We need to call it just right here. Okay. Just right after. Await load assets. Okay, let's try that. Hey! Apparently I need to make this an async. I just need to drop this down right here. I think that's it. Failed to load. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. File not found. Is that correct? Where is my source? Do I have to include it? I think I do. Okay, wait. Let's just see if this knows how to do it. It can't find the file. Do I have to include my resources folder, build script or something? Yeah. Oh, yep, that's correct. Let's check what I'm trying to, yeah, I'm trying to, oh, /res/ player, hang on. /res. It's definitely the same thing. No, I don't need to do that. No build script changes. Yeah, because it's okay. So I just need to double check that I called it the right thing. /res. Ah, crap. Camera's gone. Time to bring back the timer. Okay, so I've got this. And it says that the file's not there. Let's see. Can I go here? No. URL is that. Okay, what if I set URL equals res player sprite dot a sprite? If I do that, can I change these? Can I change it here? Okay. Let's just try. Let's see what that does. Nope. What did this say? Okay, so it could be my server path is the problem. Let's see what my serve is doing. Serve wasm. I'm in build. This is my server script. So I'm just in the build folder. I assume that's an issue because the res folder is a sibling of the build folder. Yep. Okay. So I have to move the res into the build. Open the browser automatically. That's kind of cool. I don't really want to do that. I think I'd rather just like move the... I think I'm just going to move the resource or like copy the resource folder when I serve it. Instead of this, right, add to my build script or my serve script to copy the res folder into my build folder. There we go. X copy. Oh, yeah. Okay. There we go. Let's try that. Huh? It's stuck on something. Oh, I have changed the name now. Oh, except for that's good. Okay, res, and then I need to go to handmade. I need to go here and change this to res. Do I have, I think the server wasn't running correctly. There we go. And also I should probably put that copy into the build, not. Okay. I got farther. And I did load the player sprite. That's awesome. Okay, so I have that, but now I'm getting a new one. Right string to stack is not defined. Correct. Because I did not make that, I did not add that in. That was up here. No. No, not that. Wasm bridge. This thing. This thing has a right string to stack function. Hang on a second here. Index HTML. I need this function right here. See how that goes. Okay, we got farther. Cannot read properties of undefined. Reading buffer. Wasm memory.buffer. Yeah, I think that's accurate. I don't have the memory. How's that look? Preload file is not a function. Okay, we're getting somewhere. That's correct. I named it files. Failed to allocate Wasm memory for file this. Memory access out of bounds. I'm getting closer. I am getting closer. Failed to allocate. So if the pointer is that, so let's look at my preload file. Name equals that. Break. Heap base. What the heck is heap base? Oh, buffer memory plus size. Okay. Simple string copy. Null terminator. This is fine. Bitmap buffer memory and the size. That, I don't have memory yet. This hasn't been done yet. So I need to do this after this. Invalid typed array length 717. What's so invalid about the length 717? New uint 8 array. The pointer. I mean, yeah, let's just debug. I'm getting this error now. When on line 104, here is the line. Here is the error. I don't understand. Okay, well, all right, we'll try it. I don't have a lot of faith at this point, honestly, but we will try it. Yeah, sprites, that one. Yep. Preload file. Heyo, what's up? Yeah, same error. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose my mind. Pointer equals 512. How's it going? It's going terrible. Oh man. I decided that I did want to write my WASM by myself, and I just really don't know what I'm doing here. Like I'm basically trying to write JavaScript objects onto WASM memory. And it's not working for some reason. It says length 717, not okay. For some reason. Why? Why is that not okay? Lol feels bad, man. Oh, man. Okay, I'll just say that wasn't the error. Still got the same issue. What the? It just makes this stuff up. Like, what the heck does that even mean? It's like trying to sound smart. Sounds like me at work, you know? I just say things. Sound smart. Like, oh, it could be that the device is running out of memory. It's like, I don't know how it's doing that. Like, yeah, maybe. Detached. Whenever the memory grows, either because the C++ code allocates more than the initial limit or because that is triggered, the underlying array buffer in JavaScript is validated. Preload file right here. It gets past this. Yeah, it's just, it doesn't know what's going on. And I've reached my limit. Oh, okay. What is this file buffer even used for? It's this, okay. So the file buffer is this. And then right to stack the name pointer. Name pointer and then data.length. It's funny seeing me deep in thought. Sorry. I'm too locked in. I need to I should. Sorry, it's not working for you. Thanks. Man. Copy data directly into WASM memory. And for some reason, it's just like, nope, can't do that. I did recently change a bunch of stuff with the memory, though. It makes you feel less bad about the times you got stuck this week. Yes. Yep, you get it raw here in this stream. Oh man. Wasm bat. I think I shrunk this. It used to be like 18,000 pages. I wonder if that'll fix anything. Oh my gosh. Oh, what the heck? That's hilarious. He's there. The monkey guy's back. I don't know what's doing. Something's doing something wrong. It's combining pixels. Oh my gosh. I did it. That's so funny. Did I have somewhere hard coded that this was the value that I was using? Nope, this. How do I do it? I wonder why that works. I switched it to 2048 pages. Yeah, I don't know why that worked. I'm gonna be real, but that was hilarious. Okay. Index.html. It's fine. Loaded this 717 bytes to here. Okay. Yeah, and then it's doing it right, but yeah, there's some sort of pixel error. Is it the size of the screen? Like if I reload this now, will it look different? No, it's something to do with... Yeah. The pixel buffer is not exactly right. I wonder if it's an OpenGL thing. Or a WebGL thing, I should say. Yeah, why would it why would it do this? It's like this one is a pixel too tall. Yeah, zooming does nothing. Pixel too tall. This one's like, these ones are like a pixel too wide. Let's look at my EMCC code. Those are the vertices. Okay, yeah, that's not useful. Find texture. Nearest. That's correct. Is that a thing? GL text parameter I wrap S clamp to edge. GL text parameter I GL dot texture 2D, right? Wrap T or wrap S, wrap T. GL. Whoa, why would it do that? Oh, it's because of this. Crap. That's not what I wanted to do. Get rid of these. Save. timer. Gotta tell the camera I'm still here. Okay. Index.html. Oh, I'm here. Add that. And then I need the emcc, this guy. Add that. All right. We're going to put this up here. I'm going to put this right here. So now it's this. Okay. Texture wrap S. And then GL dot, what was it? Clamp to edge. And then we got to do the same with this. What does that do? Are these things? Did I do anything that actually makes sense? GL.texture wrap. Oh, what have I done? S. Yeah, that is a thing. And then let's see. Clamp to edge. That's a thing as well. Okay, so hopefully that did something. What else is different? This vertex shader. So create shader. I don't know why they did this. That's weird. If that, okay. Return S. So this creates a shader, and then I create the shader right here. The source is VS source. What the heck is VS? Oh, right. It's the visual shade or the vertex shader and the fragment shader. Link the program, use the program. Link program, use program. There's the vertices. All right. I think it's time to ask the AI because I don't know OpenGL well enough. Basically, it's a pixel perfect game, but I'm getting pixel stretching and shrinking. Could it be the GL code? The internal resolution of the canvas doesn't match the CSS size. I did see the threes and I was like, what the heck? Oh, did I not do this yet? I'm not setting the canvas anywhere. That's fine. Canvas right here. Oh, yeah, I wasn't even setting the canvas size. Oh, interesting. Without this, the browser defaults to 300 by 150 and stretches your buffer into it. Okay, let's try that. Oh, and look at that. Clamp to edge. I just added that. Okay. And object fit contain, it does have that. So let's just do this canvas dot width bmpx and canvas dot height bmpy. Does that work? No, it does not. It does nothing. What is this? 1280 divided by 4 is 320, right? 720 divided by 4, I suppose, is 180. So that was incorrect. Image rendering pixelated. Is that a thing? Oh, let's try that. Oh, it already had this. Yeah, that didn't seem to do anything. Maybe I get rid of these for now. Yeah, it's definitely too wide, right? So I think I do need this. But I don't know why it's still not stretching. Oh, am I hard coding the value somewhere else? What's this? Oh, it's just that. You can do it. Hey, thanks. Michael from Vsauce Eyebrow. Ugh. While not always. Okay. Edge sampling artifacts. That's what I did, right? Clamp to edge. Buffer data. I think this one didn't change. -1, -1, 3. -1, -1, 3. That didn't change. Static draw. That's all the same. Buffer is VB. It's all the same stuff. This is not the same. This is new. I don't have that anywhere, I don't think. I could be wrong. GL viewport. Let's try it out. I did it. He's back. The monkey guy is back. Apart from struggling with my own game engine, I'm doing just fine. Yeah. Well, that's a win right there. I got pretty much back to where I was. Let's see. Next, I need to figure out this input handling. We're so back. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I thought about canceling stream today because I was like, there's no way I figure this out on stream. And honestly, I probably shouldn't have tried to figure this out on stream. It was so boring, I'm sure. Just watching a guy slowly lose his sanity. Glad you didn't give up. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't give up. That's the funny thing with code. Sometimes you really just want to give up. And then it works. You try one thing and then it works and you're like, oh, I was that close this whole time. Another struggle. That's what I needed today. Another struggle. Yeah. Okay, well. Yeah. That's it. That's all I got. Quick little recap. I decided that I wanted to be insane and use no libraries in my web implementation of the game engine. We live vicariously through your pain. Lol. Bunch of sadists. Good stream, and that will make a good video on how not to get crazy with little bugs. But I did get crazy. I lost it. Okay. Okay, let's get rid of this. All right. Well, I'll keep working on this